Okay, so in this video I'm gonna talk about how can you process a loop basically so you can get the transients out better from this to this. And this is just for the sake of effect so you can blend it better. You just need the transients and the body of the thing. So here's the processing of the maximals. So you apply maximals on the thing, right? You gotta create like a noise gate basically. So you take out the initial sounds like the low -18 up there as you can see. And you just basically set the threshold for what sounds do you want to have out of maximals, right? And just play with a sustain, release and attack after that. Until it suits the sample. But you can also play with the lows, the mids and the highs like this. So play with the gate and then the sustain and the release, also the attack a bit, right? Play with the curves. So the curve is just the steepness of the thing. Right, the other thing is transient processing, which works in the same way except it's just 2 knobs. But you don't have as much control over the lows, the mids and the highs as the maximum has. This is like squeaking out the sound, making it thicker. And the drive acts as a compressor. Right. And the gain knob to make up for the difference. So if we compare the release of the transients and the attack with what maximum does, you can get incredible effects, bro. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you're gonna use this, because after this you can add a short reverb. Let's try this reverb. Right, and that was it, bro. I hope you found this video helpful and I'll see you in the next one.